The main traits of the Aries zodiac sign that you didn't know about. Aries is the sign that opens the zodiac cycle and the group of the fire element. Ambitious and contradictory, ready to ignite, but not burning for long. Determined and proactive, often following uncharted paths like a true pioneer. The main symbol of this zodiac sign is the ram's head. It reflects the contradictory nature of people born under this constellation. On the one hand, the symbol represents gentleness and a willingness to sacrifice oneself for others. On the other hand, it represents stubbornness and a powerful driving force. People born under the sign of Aries have a difficult personality. Their determination is one-sided and short-lived, as they quickly become interested and just as quickly lose interest. This often leads to negative life scenarios, such as engaging in questionable business deals or pursuing risky professions. And if you want to know about the compatibility of this sign, just search for Aries compatibility on TikTok.